This is our single leg step up exercise. So this is one of the beginning exercises to start building strength side to side. So again, what we really want to do is start improving muscle balances, and when we do this single side training, it makes our weaker side have to work just as hard as our strong side. So that's what we're going to start doing. So for this one, we just need a 12 to 8-inch box, depending on where we're starting at. We're going to put our foot up on the box here. Now the thing that's important with this one is that the work we want to do is be pressing off this front foot. Sometimes, again, if we're dealing with a knee injury or it's weaker on this side, the tendency will be to press up with the off foot there. We want to be pressing with the foot that's on the box. So all it'll look like, we're here, pressing up, maintaining your balance. And the other thing to keep in mind is we're going to control it back down. So we're not going to slam back down like that. So we're pressing up and then slow and controlled, back down. Press up. Slow and controlled, back down. There you have it.